In this video, we are going to be looking at the last section of Chapter 1. So we're looking at the nature of science, graphing. So if you go to your text section and scroll on over to the section 3, this is about graphing. Feel free to stop the video until you get to this point. This is just one page of reading. So this is a pretty short lesson, but boy, is there a lot in here. So we're going to spend a lot of time on this lesson, even though the reading is fairly short. So let me just read through the entire thing, and then we will go back and annotate. This is called The Nature of Science, Section 3, Graphing. An important part of every experiment is recording observations and organizing data in easy-to-read tables and or graphs. A graph is a visual display of information or data. A line graph shows trends or how data changes over time. And this is an example of a line graph here on the left. Hot dogs sold per day from 0 to 90 for the 5 work days. A bar graph is useful for comparing information collected by counting. So this one on the right compares fruits by the numbers of people from 0 to 40. And we have different fruits. I like the way they've color-coded the fruits as well. Apples are red, bananas are yellow, and so on. And then the final one is a circle graph, and that's used to show how a fixed quantity is broken down into parts. And this is a circle graph of a favorite movie, and we've broken that down into different categories. It looks like the largest preference on this graph was romance, followed by action and comedy, sci-fi, and drama. So those are the 3 major types of graphs. There are lots of other types, and we're going to look at 6 of them in our graphic organizer situation this time. These 3 and then 3 more that I think will be very common in science. So in the next video, we will annotate this passage and pick out the critical details.